Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Beat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best, and I mean the absolute best, pepper chili chicken. It's both explosively spicy from the heat of the black pepper and the green chilies, and it's absolutely delicious. So let's get it. We are going to start off by marinating our meat with a little bit of salt, some turmeric, black pepper, and a bit of garlic paste and ginger paste. Just give this a good mix and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Alright, so to bring our pepper chili chicken together, I'm going to start off with some oil, and once it's nice and hot, I'm going to add in our chilies. As the chilies start to blister, drop in our diced onions, our garlic, our ginger, and a handful of curry leaves. Give that a good stir, and you can already start to smell the greatness in here. To season this, I'm going to add in some turmeric, some coriander powder, some garam masala, which has cinnamon and clove in it, some cumin powder, lots of black pepper, and our salt. These spices are what's going to give it that big, bold punch. Alright, so now the spices have had a chance to bloom in the hot oil. Let's add in our chicken and let it cook. If at any time it starts to get too dry, you can always add in some water to help it cook and to get you that desired consistency for the gravy. If you want a lot of gravy, which makes this dish great with rice, you can add in more water. But if you want it more on the dry side, which works really well with some rotis or as an appetizer, just add in a little less water. If you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make this delicious pepper chili chicken at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes. Alright, so once the chicken is cooked, I'm going to finish this off by adding in some coconut. This is going to contrast really well with the heat. And we're also going to squeeze in some lemon juice. This is going to add some sharpness and lift up all of those heavy, bold spices. Give this one last stir, and there you have it, folks. Explosively delicious pepper chili chicken that's sure to bring out the heat. Cheers.